Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 77 Pontiac Firebird. So I personally love this casting, so I bought it, and this is a STH in this particular case, but sadly I don't have the STH. So I bought it for 179 if you guys are wondering. So this is the normal version. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. So I do have some, I think one or two Pontiac casting. There is one which is from Jada. So that is the, I think one is to 30, 36 or 38, I guess. So I didn't unbox those things yet. I do have a lot of, so one is to 38 and one is to 40 range, castings. Okay, so the first impressions of this car, it looks really nice, but as usual you can see some damage here in the paint job and some scratches on the glass here. Okay, so the Firebird looks really nice. So there is no paint job. Okay, yeah, there is no paint job here, but it still looks really nice. There is no paint job here as well for the tail lights. So the chassis is actually plastic, it's not metal, but the body is metal. The color scheme looks absolutely beautiful, but there are some nitpicks here and here, like the paint job here. But apart from that, the casting looks really awesome. So just check yours if you guys are having. The interior detail looks really awesome. The color contrast on this one, which is stunning. It looks really great. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. I mean, it does have some wheel wobble, but as you can see here, I don't know. I'm not sure why that is happening. Sometimes it just stops, and sometimes it just rolling really well. Okay, it's not reliable if you ask me. Specifically, if you are doing it on a track like this, you want to play with it, play with it in a track. I don't think this is going to perform well. There is some hood detailing also here, just embossed. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.